The fact that we should consider China a land of opportunity is nothing new these days. But what's new is that China has been creating opportunities on our own shores, in Italy and Europe, throughout the Mediterranean region, elsewhere, through what China calls Belt and Road Initiative. I think what we need now, in order to make sure that these opportunities are transformed from being potential into real fact and real success in entrepreneurship business, is competent managers.
A few years ago, somebody who was interested in doing business in China would have mainly worked in the manufacturing space for some large or small, medium-sized company here in China. Today, if you look at our students of the previous editions of the program, what they're doing now, it's a very broad spectrum of activity. So you can be working in sales in Europe, and you can be selling services or products to Chinese consumers in Europe. You can be selling to the Chinese here in China. You can be doing R&D here in China.
The presence of China in the Mediterranean that has been growing in the last 10 years is not only in providing new opportunities, but is actually influencing the dynamic of the region, is changing the trends within this region, is modifying the geoeconomics and the geopolitics of this region. That is why it's so important today not only to understand the ongoing dynamic of the region, but to focus on China and the role that China is playing into the modification of this dynamic. That's why the ChinaMed Business Program is a very innovative tool to provide the students a unique focus on this contemporary trend.